Yes. As we strive to oversee the implementation of the established broad framework, we shall undertake inclusive and extensive consultations with members of the public, arms of government, government departments, independent commissions, civil society, trade unions, religious institutions. As we endeavor to complete these tasks, we shall look for mechanisms to ensure the successful implementation of the whole of NADCO and the 10-point agenda in the various areas that this process is involved in, such as existing policies, legislative agenda, administrative measures, and the current status of implementation.